A bit closer.
Let's get the babies in the front and mommies behind.
Wide count.
Smile, 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 ellaru.
What a moment it is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just quickly.
And the kids were just going completely bonkers, and this whole confetti thing and everything, I think they really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vandana. Thank you, Phoenix, for inviting us.
Thank you very much.
You want to
It's been very nice and this is beautiful. It's a really beautiful installation. I suggest Phoenix, please get this to Bombay. I think our kids in Mumbai would want it too. And it's going to be really nice. We're going to get a lot of crowd there. Because seeing something so impressive and massive, I'm sure you're going to get a lot of crowd. And Bangalore is lucky to have such an amazing place.
How does it feel to be here? Please tell us.
It feels fantastic, and it's a pleasure to the eyes of the kids. I mean, you can see it from the road, and they just wanted to be near, and now they're so happy seeing. Wow, Liana, how big is it?
Also, ma'am, tell us, how does it feel to be at Phoenix Mall of Asia, one of the best in India?
It's really big, and so whenever you come, wear your sports shoes, because otherwise you're going to kill your legs.
Absolutely. And let me tell you, Bangalore loves you. How does it feel to be here? Please tell us.
Oh, it feels great. Also because I have come here for an event, and the event has something to do with kids. And I have a kid now. So मैं पहली बार उसके साथ travel किया है, for an event. So it just feels very nice. And thank you so much, Vandana and Phoenix, of course, for having us here. We love it. You can see how much he's enjoying. मुझे लग रहा था confetti blast होगा, so he'll be scared, but clearly not. Yeah. Thank you.
Your vlogs, fantastic work what you do, and Bangalore especially.
All are going to be have some fun, and it's amazing. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, like in Bengaluru we say Swagata Suswagata. Warm welcome to you. And now ladies and gentlemen, Namaskara. Thank you. Please tell us, how's your experience here being here today at the Dreamland, Rainbow X and the Mall of Asia?
I think everybody said enough. It's a beautiful mall, and the whole installation is extremely beautiful.
It's always a pleasure to have you here with us. Well, you've been so instrumental in bringing along the lovely celeb moms here. How does it feel to be here today, and how does it feel to be a super mom?
Hi Bengaluru. Hi everybody who's here and who's been a part of this wonderful setup and making this. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. There's no word. You love it? Yeah. So yeah, it's been great, and my association with Phoenix has been almost 15 to 20 years actually. I have done like almost 30-40 events with them. Out of that, 10 events have been all about mommies and babies. I started doing a lot of mother and kid events, particularly because ever since I got my son, I look for opportunities which have interactions and fun element for the kids. Nothing can be as fun as this, and we want this in Mumbai. Are you hearing us, Phoenix Malls? We want this in Mumbai. And thank you to all my lovely friends who have been a part of this. Tejaswani, Udita, Devunya, and Neha, Chandana, everybody, Kishwar, all of you have been super moms, all of you have a journey, all of you have multitaskers, you have hats off. Let's do one big round of applause for all these super moms. Mama.
Hi, welcome everyone. Thank you, Vanna. You really gave us a good speech. And you've been associated with Phoenix for so many years. So every year we create this holiday land in Phoenix, Market City, Whitefield. We have tied up with Universal Studios in Singapore. We have tied up with Tokidoki this year. We have done Trolls there. But Mall of Asia just started in October, and this year we thought, what do we do in Mall of Asia to attract our little kids during vacation? You don't have many places to go to sometimes to take kids out. Nothing is done in India. It's all developed there, and this was the ideation had come almost say 6 months back. It took almost 2 months to create this, and 1 month to come to India and get installed here. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, media, for taking out time and coming. And now, please come inside and enjoy, everyone. Thank you.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಆಗಿದ್ದು
Right. What's your name? What is this? Hey, happy birthday, Nanda. What is this? Yes, what color is your nose? What color is your nose? Red. Yes. See. One. You got a red nose. You got a red nose.
It's so cute.
I'm going to give this to you. Okay, you're going to take it off.
So I will take video of it. 1 second.
And your nose.
So do 1 second.
Okay, let's see. What's your name? Okay, what is this? What does this look like? A lollipop? Yes, what is on the lollipop? So what is on the lollipop? Nothing? Right? This side?
No.
Nothing? Right? Put your hand. See, there's a 5 rupee coin. What's the name? Steven, can you see the 5 rupee coin? What's in my hand? What's in my hand? What's here? There's a 5 rupee coin. No? Just take the 5 rupee coin like this. Keep it on this. You can start now, you can take 5 rupee. Right? There's a 5 rupee coin. Nothing here? See, show me your hand. One more 5 rupee coin. Take it from there. Keep it on this. Tap, you got on that. You got one this side, one this side. 2. How much? 5 plus 5? 10. Right? Shivan, give me a hand. You have to take it and you don't know. Yeah. Hey, you took my coin away. Where's the coin? Give me the coin. You just took it away. See, there's one coin here. Right? Show me hand. Give it up. You took, see, nothing here, nothing here.
I saw
See,
one.
nothing here, right? No. So there's one coin there. Hi. See. Nothing here? No. But when it's done, you get one more. Why do you keep coins on your face? See, nothing here, no? You take this coin, put it down. You got one this side, one this side. 2. And then you drop, down.